Hi, folks.
Do you know where I...
Where's Santiago? Okay, there it is. Alright, we're going to do what today?
Exploding
Volcano.
volcano.
Make sure to put your head on so you don't get all over you, huh? Okay, first thing
So
we're
this
going to
is
do,
yellow. Yeah.
we're going to put on our safety glasses whenever we're doing experiments.
I just popped up
Right?
with mine.
I know, it's cool. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to pour this in here slowly, right? Ready? Help me. Slowly, so don't tip.
That'd
Okay,
be
there's
so
that.
fun.
Now we got to put
If
some...
it explodes, then you'll never
gotta
see
put
our
this.
videos never again. You'll never see
1,
it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you put in like 3 tablespoons of baking soda and baking soda, and then some food coloring
I have brown eyes.
and glitter. Right,
Yeah.
glitter. You want to pour the glitter in?
Yeah.
Pour it in above it. Don't touch the glass. Okay, that's it. Okay, good. Okay, and now after that, I'm gonna pour this slowly, right? Ready? You can help me, all right, folks?
If it explodes, then you'll never see us again.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. We never did this. We're just playing around.
Yeah.
Oh no, look at.
Ooh, now it's spilling.
Oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. It went in that one,
Yeah, it
that one, that one. Went in all of them.
Very cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna
Don't
help.
touch it. No, don't touch it. It might fall over on us. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed our experiment of the day. It was cool, huh? A lot of fun.
If
Right?
you want to see the rest of our videos, push the button, comment down below.
Subscribe and like. Watch the whole thing or it doesn't count.
Yep.
Right?
Bye. Yeah.
Not that long anyways.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.